welcome to today's live chat. And I'm Vernette. I am a e-commerce coach, coaching my students on how to generate 5-figure sales via e-commerce business online. And today's topic is, why is subscription economy as a future? The purpose of the topic is, first, because I received a few queries from my subscriber asking me if the subscription business is going to replace the typical online business. I'm keen to answer these questions because I foresee the subscription business model is the future of the economy. We'll walk away with the 4 learning. The learning number 1 is you will discover what is subscription-based business. Second, what is the future of subscription-based business model? Third, what are the types of subscription business model you could consider for your business? And then fourth, what are the advantage and the risk of running a subscription business model? So I will not only share with you the advantage, but I will also share with you the risk of running the subscription-based business. Firstly, all of you know that there are 2 types of business out there. Be it you are selling physical products or you are providing service. Do you know that both of this business can turn into subscription-based business? Let me explain. Subscription business model is the company receive periodic payment in order to deliver the goods or deliver the services or give access to the content. So instead of selling the product or service as one-time item, the subscription business model actually aims at selling a product or service over a period of time. For example, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. So in fact, you are not new to subscription business model. If you already subscribe to your monthly telco service, Netflix service, newspaper, be online or offline, magazine service. Okay, so can you think of what other subscription service that you are currently engaged to? For myself, I am actively engaging the software that helping me to run both of my subscription business. So for example, software like Adobe, Photoshop is my favorite. Microsoft Office content editing software. So if you are interested to find out how I run my both subscription business, leave the comment below. So if there is enough audience who interested, then I'm considered to do up a live or even do up a pre-record video on how I run my both subscription business. Right. The rise of subscription business is due to when the COVID outbreak last year, everyone has experienced restrictions in activities that make the shopping inconvenient. So instead of one-time purchase that you might forget on the upcoming months, e-commerce products has become subscription-based model so that you can subscribe only one time for over a period of time. You won't worry about running out of stock due to your busy schedule. Also, due to the COVID-19 outbreak last year that made the home entertaining, that made the home-based educations become super demanding. Instead of one-time purchase to get one-time access to streaming, to education content, paying a small amount monthly over a period of time bring the convenience of home entertainment for the whole family, or unlimited access of educational based content that update periodically, that bring this home entertainment and home based education super demanding. Due to the COVID outbreak, hence the consumer behavior, consumer preference has shifted globally. So while consumers prefer to shop online now, they prefer to subscribe to product or services that require in daily life so that they could reduce the hassle of go online to repeat purchase every time they need the same product again and again. So there are 4 different kinds of subscription model. The first one is software as a service. In short term, we call that SaaS, virtual products. The consumer can get the right to use the virtual products, so especially software. especially for example, Adobe, Microsoft Office. You just need to subscribe monthly or even for a period of time. You can enjoy the functions of using Microsoft Office, for example. So the second type of subscription model is membership site to access to contents, to workshop, to episode, to series. All right. For example, it's the online fitness studio or online learning platform. So I'm giving you example of the online fitness studio at Wizard UK. We are at this Wizard.uk. This is an online fitness studio whereby you join the membership, you pay for the subscription, and you are able to enjoy the online fitness. So you can do the gym online, or the class are digital class. And another membership site are online learning platforms such as Skillshare. So when you pay for the membership for a period of time, you are able to enjoy the online classes according to your interests. And then the third type of the subscription model that you can consider are subscription box. Subscription box is quite famous in physical products, e-commerce products. Subscription box example are the famous Dollar Saving Club from US, Club Candle from Australia, Nespresso book actually from Singapore. Dollar Shave Club is very famous of their subscription box whereby they are promoting meal products, all right? And the last type of the subscription model that you can consider is the streaming service, video content, home entertainment content. Then you can consider to subscribe to streaming service such as Netflix, Apple Music, Spotify Music. Let me show you the example. This is Spotify Music, right? So there are few subscription plan. You choose what suitable for you and you can enjoy the service. All right. So one thing I would like to add is if you have membership site, you can consider to mix your membership site with subscription box. So for example, you are doing membership site for online fitness studio, then perhaps you can add a subscription box to send the physical products, for example, some small sport equipment, yoga equipment to your subscriber. So you can actually mix and match a subscription model. For myself, I'm running two online business and both are using subscription models. So namely the membership site for my online courses and the subscription box for my physical products. What are the advantages of being running subscription business? There are four advantages that I personally very exciting in exploring into subscription business. Firstly is you are able to fully automate your business because the delivery of the product or the services are well scheduled. So you do not need to deliver the product every day. It will have the schedule to be followed. Second one is as a business owner, you have recurring revenue, and this recurring revenue can be predictable, and this can improve your business cash flow because you know on your schedule how many recurring revenue, how many recurring customer you are getting every day, every month. And the third advantage is you are able to attract to new customer because at a very reasonable monthly rate seems that very affordable and more attractive than one-time high payment can attract more new shoppers to purchase and subscribe to your product or services. And the fourth advantage is the customer lifetime value will increase. If they like their product or service, they tend to continue to subscribe to your products, or they tend to renew year after year. So this will bring the customer lifetime value increase, as well as the brand loyalty will increase as well. Having said that, if you ask me, Vernette, so good about the subscription business, are there any disadvantage of running such business? To my honest opinion, yes, there are. So let me share with you the risk of running subscription business. The risk number one is the customer are subscribed to you. You must stick to the delivery schedule. So it is very important to maintain or even improve the quality of the customer service. From the delivery service to customer inquiry, you must improve on the quality of the service in order to build on the trust that customer putting the product over a longer period of time, right? And the second risk that I would like to share with you is the competitions. As your competitors are also offer the affordable and attractive subscription rates that make it interesting and affordable, the switching cost between the customer from one brand to another is quite low. So it depends on how you see this. To me, so long I acquire the customer, so long I give the best of my customer service, the best of my product, the best of my delivery service, I have confidence to retain the customer so that the customer will continue to subscribe to me or even renew year after year. These are the contents that I would like to share with you today. I will see you next time. Bye bye.